Welcome to Working Title Models. The Jagdtiger was the largest armored fighting vehicle ever placed into operational service during World War II. Designed to destroy enemy armor at extreme range, it combined the chassis of the Tiger II with a devastating 12.8 centimeter PaK-44 anti-tank gun, creating one of the most intimidating tank destroyers ever built. Today, we're taking a close look at Takom's Blitz Series Jagdtiger Kit 8001. Takom's Blitz line is designed around a simple philosophy: provide the appearance and detail of a premium model while eliminating the complexity of a full interior. The result is a kit that's faster to build, more affordable, and still highly detailed. We'll look at the history of the Jagdtiger, what's included in the box, the quality of the molding, how accurate it is compared with published dimensions, construction, fit, and what other modelers have to say, available aftermarket upgrades, and finally, whether this kit deserves a place on your workbench. Let's get into it. More than 71 tons and armed with the formidable 12.8 centimeter PaK-44 L55 gun, it was designed to destroy any Allied tank long before the enemy could return fire. Built on the Tiger II chassis, the Jagdtiger combined exceptional firepower with extremely heavy armor. The 128mm gun could penetrate virtually every Allied tanks at ranges beyond 2,000 meters, while the front of the fighting compartment was protected by an incredible 250mm of armor. Unfortunately, its massive weight pushed the limit of the chassis. Mechanical failures involving the suspension, transmission, and final drives were common, and many vehicles were abandoned or destroyed by their own crews after breakdowns. Only about 80 to 88 production vehicles were completed before the end of the war, making the Jagdtiger one of the rarest German armored fighting vehicles to see combat. What's in the box? Takom's Blitz series was designed around a simple idea: deliver the appearance and detail of a premium kit while eliminating the complexity of a full interior. Inside the box, you'll find crisp gray styrene parts, a one-piece lower hull, link and length tracks, a small photo-etched fret, steel tow cable, decals, and parts for both early and late production vehicles. The overall part count is much lower than Takom's full interior Jagdtiger, making this an excellent project for modelers who prefer building rather than assembling hundreds of hidden interior parts. Detail. Surface detail is excellent throughout. The weld seams are sharp and convincing. The cast armor texture is subtle without being exaggerated. Bolt heads and fasteners are crisp. Engine deck grills are well represented, and the molded on tools are finer than many comparable injection molded kits. The gun barrel is assembled from multiple pieces rather than slide molded, so careful cleanup will pay off during construction. Overall, the finished exterior easily rivals the much more expensive kits. Construction. This is where the Blitz concept really shines. The one-piece lower hull eliminates many alignment problems. The suspension arms positively locate into keyed mounting points. Takom also includes alignment jigs that simplify installing both the suspension and the link and length tracks. The tracks assemble surprisingly well, and most builders report the recommended number of links fit correctly with very little adjustment. This is a kit that should be enjoyable for both experienced armor builders and those tackling their first large German tank destroyer. Fit. Overall fit is excellent. There is one commonly discussed issue involving the front casement plate. If assembled exactly as shown in the instructions, the part may require a small amount of trimming. Fortunately, careful dry fitting largely eliminates this problem. Many experienced builders recommend installing this component earlier than the instructions suggest, making the fit much easier. Aside from that area, the remainder of the kit assembles cleanly. What other modelers thought? Before filming this review, I looked at what other experienced armor modelers had to say about this kit. The overall consensus is remarkably consistent. Reviewers praised Takom for striking an excellent balance between fine exterior detail and straightforward construction. The Blitz philosophy of removing the interior while keeping the exterior highly detailed was viewed as a major strength, especially for builders who want an enjoyable project without an excessive part count. Many reviewers also praised the engineering. The one-piece lower hull, suspension alignment jigs, and length tracks are frequently mentioned as features that simplify construction while maintaining excellent accuracy. The most common criticism involved the fit of the front casement plate. Experienced builders generally agree this is more of an assembly sequence issue than a design flaw. Test fitting the part and making minor adjustments before committing to glue usually resolves the problem. Overall, the modeling community considers Takom's Blitz Jagdtiger one of the best combinations of detail, accuracy, and ease of assembly currently available in 1/35 scale. Comparison. Compared to Tamiya's Jagdtiger, Takom offers noticeably finer surface detail while remaining almost as straightforward to build. Dragon kits include additional detail and multimedia parts, but also have significantly higher part count and more complex construction. Takom strikes an excellent balance between these two approaches. If you're looking for a highly detailed exterior without committing to a full interior build, this kit sits in the sweet spot. Accuracy. One feature you'll see in all my reviews is this specification sheet, which compares the kit against published dimensions and scale drawings. Looking at the side, top, and front views, Takom captures the Jagdtiger's proportions extremely well. The overall hull length, width, height, fighting compartment proportions, and the distinctive overhang of the 128mm gun all compare closely with published dimensions. The suspension spacing and running gear also appear accurate. Overall, Takom has done an outstanding job reproducing the shape and proportions of the Jagdtiger. Final thoughts. The Takom's Blitz Jagdtiger is one of the easiest armor kits to recommend. It captures the appearance of the real vehicle extremely well. Surface detail is excellent, engineering is thoughtful, construction is straightforward. The few reported fit issues are minor and easily corrected with careful dry fitting. The Blitz approach proves that you don't need a full interior or an overwhelming part count to produce a museum quality exterior. Whether you're new to German armor or simply looking for an enjoyable project between more complex builds, this kit delivers an outstanding combination of accuracy, detail, and value. For me, it's one of the strongest releases in Takom's Blitz series. My overall rating is 9.4 out of 10. Highly recommended. Outro. If you've built Takom's Blitz Jagdtiger, I'd love to hear about your experience. Did you encounter the front plate fit issue? Or did your kit go together without any trouble? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future kit reviews, builds, museum visits, and modeling trips. If you'd like to help support the channel, YouTube Super Thanks is greatly appreciated, and you'll find links to the Working Title Models website and eBay store in the description below. As always, every kit featured on Working Title Models is purchased courtesy of my own wallet, so every review is completely independent. And remember, we're not just building models, we're bringing history to life.